welcome back. Today I am going to be doing a copy that look video again, and this time I'm going to be following an Instagram pictorial. If you aren't familiar with a pictorial, basically it is an eyeshadow look usually that someone has posted, and then they have pictures with a step-by-step process along with a picture of the palette that they're using, and then they number it as well, and you can kind of go off. So I found a look here that I found by one of my favorite Instagrammers, Ravina MU Artistry, and yeah, she's got a picture here of what the finished look looks like on her eyes, and then she also has the pictorial, which looks like this. And it is with the Born to Run palette, which I haven't had a lot of use out of, even though I got it several months ago, and I wanted to give it some more love. I have it right here. This is what the palette looks like. It's a really pretty palette. I love the tones in it, the shades, they are beautiful to me. I know to some people they might think this is boring, but for me this is definitely one that is right up my alley. So yeah, I wanted to see how easy it would be to follow Pictorial, to see, you know, are they really that easy? Is it that simple, just step by step like that, or is it a little bit more complicated? I realize that I might have more experience than the average person that might be buying this or might see her looks and that sort of thing. But yeah, I mean, it'd be fun to try. I figured let's give it a go and see how it works. So this is a fairly easy look. There's only 5 shades that she used, so we will be dipping into, let's see, do them in the order that she has. So we will be dipping into Riff, which is this one right here. Then we will be going to Good as Gone. Then we are going into Wild Heart, and then Guilt Trip, and last but not least, Breakaway. And then we are going to do the lower lash line as well. So let's get started and see what we come up with. Okay, so the first thing she does is she takes Biff and she puts it in her crease. So let's do that. Step number 2, we are going to go in with Good as Gone in the outer corner. I think she cut the crease, but she didn't include that as a step. So I'm going to go step number 3 and hope for the best. I didn't bring setting spray down or anything. That was not very smart on my part, but oh well. Okay, step number 3, we are going in with Wild Heart. Halfway on the lid. Okay, shade number 4 is Guilt Trip. We're gonna Okay, so this is what we have for the lids. Clearly I didn't do my homework in looking into this, because I just like, oh, I have that palette, I can do that. She cut her crease, which I didn't bring anything with me to do that, so we just kind of, you know, went with it. I got pretty decent coverage and color out of it, I think. And then she does have a glitter going on the lid as well, which for whatever reason I did not clue into. So this is not by any means anywhere near exactly what she has. I have fallout all over my phone. But I am going to finish off the look. I am going to put on some winged eyeliner and some lashes, and I have kind of a maroon colored eyeliner, which I'm going to put on. I'm going to come back after I put that all on because it's probably going to be very painstaking to watch, and I don't want you all to suffer through that. So I will see you in a few minutes. And this is the finished look. I think all things considered, seeing as I clearly did not pay attention to what I was doing before I did it, there was a cut crease involved and some glitter, which I was not prepared for, so I didn't do. But otherwise, I tried to do everything else, and this is the look that I got from her pictorial. No cut crease, no glitter, but this is basically the base of what she did. I think it turned out okay. To finish off the look, I did use my liner here. I got this off of AliExpress by Yan Quina. I don't know, 36-hour precision liquid liner. It is just a felt tip pen. It's only a couple of dollars. I really do like this pen. It's pretty stiff, so it's easy for me to get a line. Now, having said that, I do wish that I had paid more attention to the photo because she did go into the inner corner and bring it down. I tried doing that with this and it was really bad, so I kind of tried cleaning it up and wiping it off a bit. Had I brought down my Physicians Formula brush tip liner, I think that would have helped in here because I needed something a little bit more flexible just to kind of work in this area, and this wasn't working for me, but I do really like this as far as doing a wing goes. Then I went in with the House of Lashes Sweet Romance lashes. Not that you can see them because they're not in here, they're on my face. I went in with my Rimmel Scandalized liner in brown and just did my upper lash line. And then I did my lower lash, or my lower waterline with this Makeup Geek liner, pencil liner in Plumera right here. And then what else did I do? I finished, oh, I did not finish off. Hold on. We're not quite done. I didn't do number 5. Ooh, it just adds a nicest little touch. Brighten that up a bit. Okay, now I finished the look. So for my lower lash line, right now I just put this shade here in my inner corner, which was on the Pictorial. My lower lash line, I just put some of this on under my lash line and then smudged out a little bit with this color. Good as Gone first and then Riff second. And that's how I finished off the look. I did have a mascara on previously. It was just a waterproof mascara that I had in my collection. I'm not even sure which one. I think it might have been a Marcel one. And then yeah, my lips are different now. I did go in and I put this Bodyography lip liner in Heatherberry on along. It's on the floor. It wouldn't be a video with Leia if something didn't drop on the floor. Don't drop it. And then I did put on this lipstick by Essence in the shade Glamour Queen. It's just a sheer lipstick. I felt that it kind of went really well with it. I wasn't sure how the look would turn out. So when I was just grabbing stuff to bring down, I'm like, this would be my safest bet. So that's what I did. Again, the inner corners are a little different just because I wasn't prepared. I didn't do a cut crease because I wasn't prepared. And I didn't do the glitter because we're sensing a theme. I wasn't prepared. But all in all, I think it's a really pretty look. I love this palette. The shadows blended out beautifully. They have a nice selection of shades in here. I think it's just a really, really, really pretty palette. That is all for this video and this look. Let me know in the comments below how you think I did, you know, bearing in mind that I was a little bit of an idiot and I didn't prepare for it and I didn't have everything. Let me know how you think it turned out, you know. Takeaway, pretend that stuff isn't in the Pictorial because technically it wasn't numbered, so I wasn't paying attention to it. I will learn for next time to pay attention. I have done another Copy That Look video. It was just based on a photo. I will link it in the cards here so that you can take a look at it if you'd like, as well as in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments below. If you have a look that you'd like to challenge me with or you would just like me to try, let me know as well in the comments below. You can also DM me on Instagram if you would like. That will be coming up shortly on the screen and you can get that information there, or it is linked in the description box below as well. Always enjoy getting new ideas and seeing what people would like to see on the channel here. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you have a great day. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.